What I'm about to show you in this video is honestly mind-blowing. This AI can take a single product link and turn it into a full high-quality video ad with voiceover, transitions, UGC style shots, everything. And the craziest part is that the output looks so real that even you won't be able to tell whether it's AI generated or shot by an actual creator in a studio. So don't blink and don't skip, because you are about to see something that will make you go, wait, how is this even possible? Alright, so the tool I was talking about is Higgsfield, and this is the official website of Higgsfield. And the first thing you will see right at the top is the apps section. Just click on apps. That's where all their main AI tools are listed. Once you click it, a new page opens. And on the page, the second option you will find is Click-To-Ad. This is the tool we are going to use today. So simply hit try now. Right after that, the full interface opens up. And here it clearly says, turn any product into a video ad. Paste a product URL and we will create a scroll-stopping video ad with AI avatars and voiceover in minutes. Now just below this, they have also shown the 3 simple steps you need to follow. And honestly, it really is this simple. So step 1 is to paste your product link. And the step 2 is choose an ad style. And the step 3 is let the AI generate your entire video. And that's literally it. And the best part is, before you even start, Higgsfield shows you some example ads. If you check them, you will notice how super high quality they are. These feel like real UGC style ads, the kind brands actually pay creators to make. Trust me, the first time I saw them, even I was shocked at how clean and realistic the output is. Alright, so now let's test it out. So here we have 2 options. You can either paste the product page URL, or you can click on build from scratch and manually upload your product images, write your script, choose your avatar, everything, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you both methods, so you will know exactly how to use whichever option suits you best. But first, let's start with the easiest one. I will paste a product page URL and show you how the tool converts it into a full ad, okay? So I found this product on Alibaba.com, and for this example, let's say I want to create a video ad for it, okay? So the product page has tons of images, detailed descriptions, and everything that usually takes time to organize manually, right? But the good thing is, we don't need to do any of that. We don't have to download images or write features ourselves. All we have to do is copy the URL of this product page and paste it inside Higgsfield. So let me copy the link, and now I will go back to Higgsfield and paste it here. Once the link is added, I will simply click on continue. And the moment we do that, the tool starts working automatically. And here you can see it says building your product kit. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Feel free to grab a coffee or stick around. Okay? And trust me, at this point our job is absolutely done. Seriously, we just pasted the product link and now the AI is handling everything else on its own. While it's working, you can actually see the entire background process happening in real time. It connects to the website, extracts product images, identifies brand colors, locates the logo, processes the important details, and then compiles everything into a complete product kit. And also it's showing us how much percentage it has completed so far. So let's wait for a moment and see how long it takes, okay? And there you go, it's almost done. And yes, it has now taken us to the next page. Here you can see that it has automatically captured all the product information. Every image, every feature, every detail from the product page has been pulled in automatically, without us typing anything manually. This is honestly one of the best parts of Higgsfield. It makes the whole ad creation process super smooth and effortless. Alright, so now let's test whether the tool actually captured the information correctly or not. So the product name it pulled is Thailand Whitening Face and Body Cream Set. So let me quickly check the Alibaba page again. And yes, right here it says Thailand Whitening Face Cream. Perfect. That means the AI captured the title 100% accurately. Okay, just below that, you can see it has also generated a short description. The cool thing is that Higgsfield keeps it clean and simple, so you don't have to rewrite anything unless you want to. And here you will notice something important. The tool only allows a maximum of 3 main images. Since the product page had a lot of images, it automatically placed the extra ones under additional images, which is actually very helpful because you still get all your visuals stored neatly. Now the best part is, it even picked up the logo perfectly. Look at this. Here is the logo it extracted. And if you compare it with the original page, it's almost an exact match. So the AI is not just pulling random elements, it's actually identifying branding details very accurately. It has also selected the brand colors automatically. And if you want to customize anything, you can edit all of this manually. For example, one of the colors got removed here. So I can just click the plus icon and add it back. Since this product mostly uses white, I will select that again. So yes, you have full control. The AI gives you a base, but you can tweak anything you want, okay? Everything looks good. So now I'm just going to click on continue. And now it says choose your ad style. Select a style to generate your ad. Each preset includes optimized visuals, captions, and pacing for social media. Okay, so basically these are ready-made templates. Higgsfield gives you around 10 different presets, each designed in a specific way. Whether you want a UGC feel, a fast-paced TikTok style, minimal aesthetic, storytelling vibe, whatever you prefer. You just select a style that matches the kind of ad you want to create, okay? So for example, the unboxing style looks really good to me. So I'm going to choose that one. It has that clean, modern feel which works great for skincare products, right? And right below that, you will see a few more options where you can choose the video quality, like standard, high or premium. Actually, the quality you select will decide how many credits it uses. A standard needs just 38 credits, high quality uses 100 credits, and premium takes around 175 credits, okay? So depending on what you need, you can choose the quality that fits your project. So in my case, I want a high quality video, so I am selecting high, which will cost me 100 credits. Once that's selected, I will click on generate video. Now it says, creating your video, your ad is being generated. This usually takes 2 to 5 minutes, but can take up to 10 minutes for high quality settings. You can leave this page and check your results in the library. Okay, so according to this, the video will take somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes to finish, and if you have chosen high quality like I did, it might take close to 10 minutes. So I will just wait for it to process, and once it's ready, I will show you the final result, okay? And oh my god, should I show you the result? You are honestly going to be shocked. Even I was surprised when I saw it. The video quality is insanely good. Let me play it for you in full screen.
I just unboxed this Thailand whitening face and body cream set. It brightened my skin in just days and feels super nourishing. Wow!
I mean, seriously, it looks mind-blowing. The final video is about 12 seconds long, which is actually perfect. On most other tools, you can only generate 5 to 6 seconds of video at a time, and that too without this kind of detailing, right? But here, the pacing, the transitions, the visuals, everything looks professionally done. Now, if you click on the 3 dots right here, you will get even more options. So from here, you can enhance the video quality even further, or delete it if you want to start over, okay? So there is also an option to create another version where you can tweak the product kit and generate a fresh video. And of course, you can access all your generated videos in the library and download everything from here. So let's click on edit product kit. This page lets you change anything. You can delete the current product images and upload new ones, update colors, replace the logo, adjust the text. Basically, redo the entire setup. Once you have made your changes, you just hit continue again and the tool will generate a completely new video in the same way. Alright, so the first test worked perfectly. The tool created a really high quality video on the first try. But now let's test it again to see whether it consistently gives good results or if that first one was just a lucky output. So this time I found this pair of shoes on Alibaba and I'm going to create a video ad for it as well, okay? So just like before, I'm copying the product link, coming back to Higgsfield, pasting it right here and click on continue. The process starts in the exact same way, connecting to websites, pulling the data, building the product kit, everything running automatically in the background, okay? And right here you can see it's showing a little mini game on the screen and it says press space to play. So yeah, while the product kit loads, you actually get a small game to kill time. And honestly, oh my god, look at this. The game actually works. This is hilarious and really smart because it keeps you from getting bored while the tool prepares the assets. Anyway, the product kit is now ready and once again, it has captured all the information perfectly. If you click on the 3 dots here, you can edit the title, the description or anything else you want to customize. It automatically picked the best 3 images from the listing, just like last time. Everything looks clean, so I'm going to just click on continue again. I will keep the quality on high like before, and now I will hit generate video. And here is the result.
These breathable Hongyan mesh sneakers are so light and comfy, perfect for daily walks and casual runs. I love them.
Tell me, this isn't insane? The unboxing style video looks absolutely killer. Super smooth transitions, proper music, perfect voiceover, clean pacing. I mean, everything feels like a professionally shoot ad, right? Honestly, if you showed this to someone, they wouldn't be able to tell whether it's AI generated or a real creator filming it in a studio. That's how good the output is. So until now, we have been using the product page URL method, where the AI automatically pulls all the details for us. But now let's try the second method, manually creation from scratch, just to see how well it performs when we upload everything ourselves. So I'm going to click on build from scratch, and here it asks for a product name. I will type the name in and then add a short description. Nothing complicated, just a simple summary of what the product is. Next, it asks us to upload 3 product images. So I have already selected and uploaded the 3 images I want to use, okay? Once that's done, I will click on continue. For the quality, I will keep it on high again. And from the preset style, I will choose the simple UGC style. After that, I will hit generate video. And finally, here is the result. I mean, seriously mind-blowing. Even with the scratch method, the video looks super clean, professionally paced, and completely UGC style. It's crazy how easily the tool turns just 3 images and a short description into such a high quality ad. Honestly, if someone didn't know it was AI generated, they would never guess. Alright guys, so now you have seen how crazy powerful this tool actually is. I mean, just think about it. A single product link can turn into a fully produced professional level video ad without you writing a script, shooting footage, or hiring anyone. This is the kind of tool that creators, brands, or even solo hustlers dream about. And honestly, if you don't try it right now, you are literally missing out on a huge advantage while everyone else is getting ahead with AI. So listen, before you scroll away, click the link in the description and try it out for yourself. Just test one product link and you will understand immediately why this is becoming one of the most talked about AI tools. Alright, that's it from my side. I will see you in the next one. Take care and go create something amazing.